So here I am at Google, and I'm going to Google MLA Purdue OWL. This is the best place to find anything you have questions about for MLA format. This is the place to go. So it's that first hit, owl.purdue.edu, and this is the website. It looks not the most friendly, but I promise it is. Give it a try. So down here on the left-hand side, there's all the different subheadings of MLA to help you know what to do for whatever part of citations you're doing. So you're just going to click here, MLA in-text citations, the basics. We're working on in-text citations today. Click on that, and then here you are at MLA in-text citations. And it's really simple to go through. I'll let you read that on your own, and then we will do a practice really quickly that I'll demonstrate here. So I have just highlighted a sentence with a quote that needs to be cited. So I'm going to put the author's name in parentheses. So parentheses, Denham is the author's name, space, no comma or anything, just space, and then the page number, which is 44, parentheses, period. And there you go.